Now, I know to the untrained eye, this person might look like they're dead in the water. Maybe even that my hand is pushing them down. But this actually is a beautiful picture of somebody learning how to float. They're doing it in the safety of the corner of the pool, in the very shallow end, where it's so safe, where they know for sure air is easy anytime they want. Matter of fact, that's why I have my hand on her back, is to make sure she doesn't drift away from the step. We're not going for what sometimes people think of as a right float, which is the whole body being horizontal to the surface, but we're allowing the body to be relaxed. This makes the neck and head here in a neutral position, which is what we want. Arms dangle down, legs dangle down. This is very good. Learning how to trust. How does the water just hold me? And then what we progress to is being able to float independently. But you can see she still has some tension in her arms, that she has some of her attention still at the step, which means not all of the attention is back in her body. There's a little concern about where they're at, but that's okay. This is a normal part of the process. They're working through it and figuring it out while feeling very, very safe. We're in 2.5 feet of water. Know that they can come up and get air anytime they want easily. This builds trust with themselves and in the water. When we say calm within, we really mean it all the way down to your core. Calm within so you can understand how your body and the water works together. It's essential before you start doing any sort of movement and rushing around from here to there. Have fun discovering your body and the water together.